What's up, you neighbor? It's your boy, the Weird King, and I'm back at another YouTube video.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me.
And as you can tell by today's title, we are doing another monkey video. So these videos are so funny, y'all. These videos are so fun. Literally love doing them. Honestly, we need to motherfucking talk about some things, okay? A bitch been working honestly, let me stop. We're gonna wait to get into all of that later, but we finna get straight into this video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Keep running it up, get your boy to 10K. We almost to 10K. And yeah, let's get into this video. I look a little pale today, yeah. Damn, girl. Blow my phone up like she know me. Blowing this phone up, girl. I definitely need a little bit more bronzer shit. Niggas is weird, bitches is men. Don't give a I need a brush, that's all. I just need a brush. Girl, please don't got time for that. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the chill to my face. Cause I look a little pale. I don't know if that's helping. It's not really helping, but that's fine. I'm trying though. Whew! Hold on, y'all. This video probably gonna be a little motherfucking weird, but I'm trying. I'm really trying. Like, okay. Let me know how that look. Y'all think that look okay? I think it look okay. Hello. Another one. Shut the fuck up. Bitch, he thought he ate that. He's like, that's a nigga. Duh. I'm not trying to be a girl. I just look like one. Period. Hello. Hello. Weirdo. Like, straight weirdo. Staring into the motherfucking camera. Hello. Hello. Alright. I'm not trying to break this and I just oh, now he reported my account. You little weak ass bitch. Hello. Okay, cause
oops. You wanna see my titties?
Yes.
Actually, I'm 14.
Weird ass kids playing on this app. Obviously, I didn't want to say it. Like, be fucking for real. Hey.
Hey.
What you doing?
So pretty.
Thank you. What you doing?
Nothing. What about you?
Huh?
What about you?
Nothing, just chilling.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see it, y'all.
What's up?
Hey. Where the fine ones at? Where the fine niggas at? That's all I need to see. That's all I want to see. Like, where the fine niggas at? Hello. Nah, we not doing that weird shit. Girl, get crumble cookie one time and talk about some instant addiction at this point. Good night. Get a fucking life. that shit off. Why nobody tell me how left the most product
Hello?
inside of my nose? Hello?
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. Can you add me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Where are you from?
The United States. Dude. Oh, you're pretty. You're so pretty. She was pretty, y'all. She had the music last time. I'm pretty sure she can hear. Yeah, I'm starving. I haven't got nothing to eat yet. I'm gonna go get some food. Hi. No. Hey. He's talking about, oh, that's a nigga. He's talking about some, hey, mom. This some lit ass kids. Hey. Oh, damn. Just skip the fuck out of me.
You said what?
Nothing.
What the fuck? You a nigga?
Do I not look like one?
I can't tell. Keep it a bed.
Oh my god. Yes, I'm a nigga.
Oh shit.
Tell me you can't tell. Can y'all really not tell? Like, be for real. Be fucking for real.
Oh,
What?
where the fuck was he at, honestly?
Ugh. They playing a game of shit. Cause I was tired, my fault. I don't give a fuck. Don't be tired on me. Do not be fucking tired on me. He looks so familiar.
Hey,
Hey,
where you from?
I'm from Louisiana.
Oh, I'm from Baltimore.
Okay, period. Krishan Rock. I'm talking about Krishan Rock. I need to go get some food because the bitch is starving. No. I look so pretty.
Who is you?
How old is you is? Yeah, I guess he didn't think I was a boy. Yeah.
Wish death upon me, blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away. I'll put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see.
Okay. Get it, I guess.
What's up?
Hey.
How's you?
I'm good.
Hell yeah. Where you from?
I'm from Louisiana, but I stay in Texas.
They got that gas down there?
Yeah, but I don't smoke.
Oh, you don't smoke? Shit, that's what's up. That's what's up. Have a good one.
You too. Why would it matter if we got gas down here, baby? You can't get it because you're not here. Hey,
Hey,
what you doing?
I just listen to music.
Oh, really? I like listening to music too. She got that London accent, y'all. On that fucking Android. It's giving middle schoolers. I look ashy in this camera, but in my camera, I look good. Yeah, I've been needing to film because I've been working a lot. I got homework due. I still ain't ate yet. Like, a bitch is just going through it, honestly. Hello. Like, what?
My house. Rants. There's a fire in. Slow down, Paul.
Hello. I knew that's gonna say something. Hello.
Oh shit.
I'm in that fucking bed playing the game, like.
San Antonio.
That was just a trap waiting to happen.
We can go. Anytime you want to. It's by my name stuff. Literally next door.
Where you was? The sun was out. Rude.
What the fuck, boy?
What? Oh, okay. And he was fucking ugly anyway, trying to talk shit. Bitch, you're ugly. Like, good night. They be so homophobic on here, y'all. Like, it's crazy. Hey. Hey, y'all.
Okay, I like your
Thank you. Period. The girls gonna always know what the fuck it's gonna give. Like, the girls gonna always give. That's what the girls gonna do. The girls just gonna understand. They're gonna take notes and they gonna give what it's supposed to give. She was like, Hello.
Hello.
Hi. There's like a really, I had put on this lip plumper and it don't work. I'm sick of it. Who calling me? My bestie?
I'm at work. I didn't get your call.
Yeah, cause I was gonna say this bitch is never answering the fucking phone at this point.
Yeah, because I'll be at work. You always call me. And then, on top of that, you be calling me at like 3 in the fucking morning.
Cause you used to call me at 3 in the morning.
Yeah, because your bitch ass be up, but you know.
Yeah, and bitch, you was up too.
Well, no, I'm not.
Well, too fucking bad. Cause I'm gonna call you in there. Hello. Say hey to my YouTube video. Come to the screen, let's say hey. Y'all, she's neglecting me right now. And I don't give a fuck. Hello. Look. Oh my god, I dropped the fucking phone and shit. Like, what?
Are you filming?
Yes.
I got a cookie, y'all. Hold on.
Your camera dirty.
Oh, wow.
I filmed a monkey video. Girl, look at him. But turn all that motherfucking loud ass shit up. Like, what the fuck? He just playing that loud ass music for no fucking reason. Hello.
Yo.
What's up? What you doing?
Well, obviously you a trans. The fuck?
Bitch, your mama a trans. The fuck? Bitch, I'm not no fucking trans.
You're done.
No shade to the trans community though. Them little ass kids. Like, what y'all be doing on here?
What's up, fucker?
Hey. That nigga was smoking, y'all. He was getting stoned. Okay. This video low-key boring. Like, I'm not even gonna cap. I'm just waiting on the cute nigga to pass by so I can get a thumbnail at this point. I ain't even gonna cap out. This video kind of boring. I think. Why everybody playing music? What's your name?
JR.
JR. How old you is? Like 15?
I'm finna turn 16.
That's crazy. I remember when I was 15.
You said what?
I remember when I was 15.
How old you now?
I'm finna be 21.
Oh, that's lit though. Big 21.
Yup.
Yeah.
Finna be drunk.
You gonna throw a birthday party?
No, I'm going to the club.
For sure. For sure. I might go to Hooters for my 16th birthday party. I don't care.
Why? So you get the girls with the big titties and stuff? You ain't shit.
I can't. I don't know. Like, I'm a, like...
Mannish. That's what you is.
Nah, it just has to see the... I have to see the cheeks. It's just simple.
Nah, you just managed.
Nah, it's not that. And I'll get my driver's license too, bro.
Period.
I'm living around town.
As you should.
Yeah. Alright, bro.
Well, alright.
I'm getting reeled up on the baddies, you feel me?
Okay. I don't know what he's talking about. My Somali person eats. That's what it does. It's just gonna be. Oh, you're pretty.
Oh, you're so pretty.
You're pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I was at the door.
Hello.
Oh.
What's up?
What's up?
I'm not eating much. Just like here to talk to people. I don't like usually do this because I'm like shy, but like today, like I said, fuck it, I'll just do it.
Oh, you're shy?
What?
You said you're shy?
Well, I'm not like shy, but like at the same time, like I'm not like used to like talking to people like this.
Like what?
Like I'm like I don't like talk like these people, but like right now, like I read some books, like I was I'm like getting better at having conversations. So I said, just let's test it out here and see how I do. What about you? What are you doing here?
I'm just trolling.
Trolling? Like what way?
I'm just talking to people, you know.
Yeah. How old are you? Well, I'm gonna guess. 'You're like 18 to 21. You're around there between.
I'm finna be 21.
21? God damn, I'm good at like guessing people's ages.
That's a good thing.
How old do you think I am?
18.
God damn, you're good. Oh no, because you fucking looked at it.
Yep. That's because I looked at it.
Where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Louisiana, but I stay in Texas now.
Cool. Like, what do you do? Like, just like do this? You come here and troll people?
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
No, I do a lot of things. I dance. I play musical instruments. I fuck. I shut up. I clean. I cook.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm fucking weak.
What are you like most like passionate about? You know, from all the things you said, from cooking, from fucking. What's your like?
Definitely passionate about fucking.
See.
And dance.
See. I don't mean to be rude, but like, what gender like do you identify as? I'm like curious.
As a boy.
As a boy? Oh, were you born boy or like?
Yep.
You're born boy or?
Yes, I was born boy.
Would you say I'm like decent
Mm-hmm.
at asking questions?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yes, you decent. Why are you so quiet?
I'm just getting like comfortable at being quiet.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you like go to school or like colleges?
Yeah, I'm in college.
You're in college? Or I'm in senior right now, and I'm thinking about if I should go to college or not. What do you have like any advice for me? I should go to college or not?
If you don't got no money, do not come to college, cause it's.
If I don't have what, sorry?
If you don't got no money, no patience, and no wisdom, not wisdom, like a good mindset, do not come, because it's expensive as fuck for no reason, and these people here drive you crazy. College people are weird. So yeah.
What you say is good in like, for example, like right now my thinking is there's like the internet, and then you can learn from the internet, So like the college came before the internet, right? And I'm thinking, what if I just like learn from the internet?
Okay guys, so that's the end of this YouTube video. I hope you guys really like this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, and I love you guys. Make sure to give me the 10K, period.